Welcome travelers to this new trip report. I am currently at Madrid airport in Terminal 4 and I'm gonna fly to Zurich today. Today I'm traveling on Iberia's Airbus A330 in business class. So here we are in the Iberia lounge in Terminal 4. The selection of food and drinks in the lounge is very good, and also the quality of the food surprised me in a positive way. You can eat whatever you want, no matter if it's coffee, beer or wine, or hot or cold meals. As my flight will leave from Terminal 4S, I have to take this underground train here.
Doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure. Train to gate NYS. Atención, por favor. Debido a las circunstancias de excepcionalidad, mantén la distancia de seguridad personal. Your attention.
After what felt like an eternity, I arrived at Terminal 4S. My plane for today is a 5-year-old Airbus A330-200 at the date of travel.
Segundo a la izquierda.
Thank you. Sobra, sí. ¿Lo dejo? Sí, nadie.
I'm sitting on 4L today on the right side of the plane.
Gracias. Welcome on board. To speed up boarding, please place small bags under the seat in front of you. And
The crew handed out headphones and a waist bag.
y que podrán utilizarlas sin restricciones, manteniendo el modo avión desde el momento de cierre de puertas y hasta su salida del avión, salvo que la tripulación.
Seat is in the upright position with the armrest down, your footrest is folded away, your seatbelt is fastened, and the window blind is open.
Por su seguridad, les recomendamos que mantengan su cinturón abrochado y visible durante todo el vuelo. Y siempre que la señal luminosa lo indique.
Les informo también que la duración del vuelo de hoy será de 2 horas y a nuestra llegada a Zurich esperamos un tiempo con cielo parcialmente nuboso y algunas tormentas en los alrededores del aeropuerto, con una temperatura de 23 grados centígrados. Muchas gracias.
Let's have a look at the seat. On the left side you can find your controller and your seat controls. There is a reading lamp as well. The table is stood in this way and can be unfolded like this. The crew served some food and I had the option pasta or fish. Sadly, the presentation of the food wasn't very nice, although it was from Dough & Co. At least I got a Coke in a real glass instead of plastic. The fish and the dessert tasted very good, but the salad was absolutely disgusting. After the meal, I put my seat in lounge position and enjoyed the rest of the flight. You've got a lot of space, so sleeping on longer flights isn't a problem. We are already descending into Zurich. Until now, my flight was quite good for an intra-European one.
Cuidado al abrir los compartimentos superiores. Gracias por volar con Iberia. Esperamos verles pronto de nuevo.
I just arrived at Zurich airport. The food wasn't great, but the crew was friendly and the seat was more than adequate for a short-haul flight. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.